You want to heal. You want to grow. But something still feels heavy. Stuck. Closed. Joseph Murphy believed the real reason isn't outside you. It's inside. You must forgive if you wish to be healed. So today we ask, can forgiveness really heal you? Forgiveness isn't just spiritual. It's neurological, biological, and deeply subconscious. In this episode, we'll explore why holding on is so easy and so damaging, how Joseph Murphy taught forgiveness as self-healing, what psychology reveals about anger, trauma, and repression, and how to finally let go even when it feels impossible. This isn't about letting others off the hook. It's about freeing yourself. Murphy's view on forgiveness. Joseph Murphy didn't treat forgiveness as optional. He called it essential for healing mentally, physically, spiritually. Resentment, condemnation, anger, and hostility are mental poisons. You must get rid of them as soon as possible. He taught, bitterness blocks the subconscious from receiving positive suggestions. Guilt attracts punishment. Forgiveness clears space for joy, health, and prosperity. Murphy's technique was simple. Say, I fully and freely forgive. I release you. Peace be to you. Repeat until you feel light. He believed this released energy back into flow. That clinging to anger was like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. What psychology says? Modern psychology validates this and expands it. 1. Unforgiveness equals stress. Holding resentment elevates cortisol. Chronic grudge holding keeps your body in fight or flight. Long-term anger weakens immune function. 2. Forgiveness is not equal to reconciliation. Letting go doesn't mean trusting again. Forgiveness is for you, not the other person. 3. Trauma and identity. Many people unconsciously hold on to pain because it's tied to identity. If I forgive, it means it didn't matter. False? True forgiveness says, it mattered, but it doesn't define me anymore. 4. Suppression backfires. Repressed emotion doesn't disappear, it turns inward. Psychosomatic symptoms often emerge from buried grief, shame, or rage. Signs you need to forgive, even if you think you've moved on. You may think you're over it, but here are subtle signs of emotional residue. You keep replaying a conversation in your head. You avoid success or intimacy because of fear of repeat betrayal. You're easily triggered by specific phrases, faces, or moments. You say, I'm fine, but feel chronically tense, numb, or closed. You haven't blessed that person, you just avoid them. Forgiveness isn't forgetting. It's letting go of the emotional hook. A forgiveness ritual that actually works. You can't force forgiveness, but you can create the conditions for release. Try this 4-step ritual. 1. Speak the truth. Say what happened, to yourself, out loud, without filter. Name the pain. Acknowledge what you lost. 2. Feel the emotion. Don't bypass it. Let yourself feel the anger, grief, sadness. Write a letter you never send. Cry. Scream. Breathe. 3. Reclaim your power. Say, this pain does not own me. I release this not for them, but for me. I am free. 4. Install peace. Use Murphy's line. I fully and freely forgive. I release you. Peace be to you. Repeat until something softens. Do this for 7 nights. Watch what shifts. Closing reflection. Forgiveness is not weakness. It's strength. It doesn't erase what happened. It breaks your bond to the pain. Joseph Murphy understood this. The moment you forgive, the healing process begins. You don't forgive because they deserve it. You forgive because you do. So ask yourself, what emotion are you still carrying? What story are you ready to stop reliving? Who are you without that weight? You'll only find out once you let go. Call to action. What's one thing or one person you're finally ready to release? Comment below. You don't have to carry it forever. Next episode: do thoughts really become things? The truth about manifestation and mental imagery? Make sure you're subscribed. Your subconscious mind is listening.